This is Nate Hudson with Ozark Radio News and News Team 7. Today, we are speaking with Lacey Carter of Ozarks Healthcare. She is the Chief Nursing Officer over there, and we're talking about National Hospital Week and National Nurses Week. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So, what can you tell us about National Hospital Week?
National Hospital Week is an opportunity to highlight our hospitals and healthcare systems across the nation. And really, it's a time to celebrate how they engage with the community and the community engages back with them, the impact that we're able to have on the health of our citizens across the community.
What kind of history can you tell us about National Hospital Week? When did it begin?
It actually began in 1921 on Florence Nightingale's birthday. She was the founder of the nursing profession. So that kind of started all of that, and it has grown into a nationwide celebration, also why it coincides with Nurses Week.
What do you hope the community can learn, and what do you hope that they know about National Hospital Week?
We hope that the community sees it as a celebration for them as well. We, of course, celebrate the hospital by doing activities there, but we want to engage our community in that with us as well. We have locations all over our service area in 8 counties across Missouri and Arkansas, and without those patients walking in our doors, we would not exist. So we also want them to celebrate with us. It's an opportunity for us to say thank you to them as well for allowing us to serve them.
With it being National Hospital Week, what can you tell us about Ozarks Healthcare? When did it start?
Ozarks Healthcare actually opened in 1959 as West Plains Memorial Hospital. Most people don't know it by that name. Most in the community probably still remember Ozarks Medical Center. And back in 2020, we did rebrand and renamed to Ozarks Healthcare.
The rebranding. I know I'm not the only one in the community that's been curious about, okay, why the rebranding? Why the name change?
Really, we wanted to rebrand and refocus everything around you. So you, the patient, we want to grow for you, provide better outcomes for you, really putting the patient at the center. And it seemed like a perfect opportunity as we were also building as well a center where patients can come and have all healthcare. Not just come for a hospital visit, but also be able to have preventative care in that same location. So healthcare really incorporates more about health across a lifespan versus it being a one-time interaction or interactions as you're sick, so to speak.
Well, I know Ozarks Healthcare is one of the largest employers in the area. How many employees do you guys have?
We have approximately 1,400 employees right now, and we are proud of each of our staff members. Each of them, it takes every single one of them to make the system work.
Are there any positions that are currently open right now in the hospital, or is it more of a constant turnover?
We do have some positions across nearly all fields right now, clinical and non-clinical, so anything from finance, if you're interested in finance, to nursing, of course, registration, EVS, lab. We're always looking to add members to our team who really want to serve the community. And if anyone's interested, they can always visit our website and click on the careers tab.
Well, along with the conversation on your employers, your employees, I know recently you had a workforce consortium announced. What can you tell us about that?
So this consortium was funded by the Howe County Commission late last year through the American Rescue Plan Act funding and also the Ozarks Healthcare Foundation. We recently launched, we are calling it the Inside Track Career Pathways Program. And Sammy Radosevich is our Inside Track Career Pathways Coordinator. Her focus is really to find candidates who are local and interested in healthcare and engage them with current coworkers, leaders in the area, but also really help them obtain their education that they need for that required field. So help them obtain scholarships, know what types of schools to go to, and really help them along that path so that they can circle back around once they've graduated and come to work for us at Ozarks Healthcare.
Well, continuing to talk about the hospital and, just the group in general, there's been a lot of changes with Ozarks Healthcare over the last few years, really. So, would you like to talk about a few of those big changes that?
So we've definitely changed multiple times since opening in 1959 as West Plains Memorial Hospital. If we think about just the past 3 years, the COVID pandemic, we saw incredible teamwork, constant innovation in our healthcare system, and that helped put in place by our staff to help make sure that we could offer the best care that we could and be here for the community when they really needed us during that moment. We opened 2 expansions in our hospital. So we had the state-of-the-art Women's Center, which is absolutely beautiful, and our largest expansion to date, which is our medical office building, which just opened a little over a year ago. That building put almost all of our specialty clinics providers in one location. It makes it easy for patients to travel. Also, if they need any lab work or radiology exams and prescriptions, to get it all in one location before leaving.
I will say it is much more convenient than it used to be. It's all very centralized.
Yes.
I personally like it.
Yes.
So, going back to National Hospital Week, National Nurses Week, how do you celebrate?
We have several fun activities planned across the organization with our coworkers. Um, for example, we actually just celebrated a Daisy Award winner right before I came here today. So we were able to, a community member patient wrote a very compelling story, and we participate in the Daisy Foundation as well. And we were able to celebrate her just right before this. So it was a really nice, big group was there, able to celebrate all the good work that the nurses do. We also participate by having some fun food and also just having community together. This week, we also are launching an Operation Clean Sweep where we're doing some community service around our hospital and really just working together as a team to take pride in what we do to serve the community every day.
With it being National Hospital Week, National Nurses Week, if businesses or organizations are looking to help out with this, looking to help celebrate, what can they do?
We would love to have organizations participate with us, and we would be very honored in that. A couple of ways that they can do that during Hospital Week is put Happy Hospital Week, Ozarks Healthcare, on any business electronic signs during the week. They can tag us at Ozarks Healthcare on any social media posts or use a hashtag as well. Wear OZH green on May 11th, so that's Friday. We would love to have the town in OZH green and just be able to feel that teamwork togetherness with the community. And if anyone would like to celebrate Ozarks Healthcare in other ways, they can feel free to contact our Ozarks Healthcare Foundation.
Well, that sounds great. Lacey, thank you so much for coming in, spending some of your time today, speaking with us here. It's been great to get to have you here.
Thank you.
This is Nate Hudson with Ozark Radio News and News Team 7.